Have you received the Google form for submitting the details for recertificate?
Not yet.
Okay, okay. Admin team will post it max by tonight or tomorrow. So everyone needs to submit your details. Those who want a certificate, so you need to submit the Google form. After the course completion, you will be receiving an e-certificate signed from Grow IoT LLP. Yeah, Sri Krishna, done with the login?
Yeah, but I'm not able to share the screen.
Really?
It's showing that presentation is starting.
Let me check if there's anything in host control. We have already enabled everyone to share their screens.
Yeah, yeah, it's right now.
Yeah, now we are able to see your screen. Okay. So from where have you chosen those capacitors and resistors? Is it from LCSC library or you just simply use the
No, no,
capacitor
I have searched
option?
it on Google and I choose those values.
Okay, okay. So now you can do
Like
one thing.
in that
Go.
document, I found multiple, so I couldn't know what to place the value. So that's why I chose Google and place those
Yeah,
values.
yeah. Okay, okay. So as of them, you just keep it like that. So
Yeah,
click on PCB option, double click. So
yeah,
now you are having, this is the layout window, right? Yesterday we discussed how
yeah,
to place an image, right? You remember that? Image
yeah.
operations, how to rotate an image, those kind of thing.
And
So
then
now,
image.
yeah, yeah, no, not required now. So now you just do one thing. Click on file option, file. I just don't, okay, file. Mm, I think it could be design. Once you just click, hover your mouse over design. Yeah. So click on the first option, import changes from schematic. So now it will show you a dialog. Okay, click on export report first. It will download a text file. I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can just open the text file in new tab.
New tab. Yeah. Through which should I open it?
Just directly in the browser. I think it will. You can directly open in browser. Click on first. Have you exported it?
Yeah, yeah, I have done it.
Yeah. Go to downloads. Just go to downloads over there. Download symbol.
What? Could you see this? I have opened in Google.
I think you are not sharing the entire screen. Maybe you are sharing the particular browser window.
Fine.
Come
Yeah.
back to, yeah.
Fine.
You can do one thing. Come back to Google Meet, or else you can direct open that file in this browser. We are still able to see only the ECEDA window. Can you just try sharing the
One
entire
second.
screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, go back to Google Meet, stop presenting, and again share entire screen. So currently the video is also being streamed in YouTube. We will share the recording. So now we have recordings from day zero for all the sessions. We divided into two parts. Now we have a compilation Everything in two sessions.
It's not opening.
Acha. Okay. You have any something like Excel or something like those softwares installed on your device?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Then try to open with them. Usually downloads a text file in most of the cases. So just right click on it and open it with no. Go to the files first. Go to the files first. File manager. Yeah. Go to download section. You will find that file over there. Right click on it.
Yeah, yeah.
Click on open with. So there you need to choose the correct application. Yeah, Excel. So I hope now we can see the data. Okay. Yeah. So come back to the same one. The schematic section. I mean the layout design window. So basically, sometimes after doing the layout design, we may do modifications to schematics, right? Isn't it? So let's say you
Yeah.
have made some schematic, you are also done with layout. Again, you did some modifications to schematic. So
Okay.
for that, if you want to update those schematics in the layout section, you need to go to the design option. Under the design option, the very first option would be update schematics from update PCB from schematics. So once you click that option, immediately it will show this kind of window. Okay. So from this window, what do you think this window could be?
Like we can
So
edit the components
yeah,
placement like the
it is
diodes,
actually
capacitor.
showing that what are the changes, okay, in the layout gonna happen. Okay. So that means you are not having these components before. So it is just telling you that I am updating these components. I'm fetching these. I fetched these components and I'm updating these. Okay. So you can click on apply changes. So now that schematic, everything, yeah, will appear over here. Can just zoom in. Yeah. So this is basically the layout design. Here you need to place the components, you know, you need to arrange them in a good way so that the appearance would be much more better. So it doesn't matter where you place the component, you need to place it in a proper way. Okay, so that it will look attractive. So can you just try placing it, arrange it on yourself. Yeah, like that. You can also rotate this capacitor. Let's say, see, you just put the resistor aside little bit towards the right.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you have capacitors in between, right? You are having
Yeah.
few two capacitors even. If you want to change the orientation, how will you do that? No, click on that capacitor. Now press the space bar.
Okay.
Okay, is that clear? How you
Yeah, yeah. I
how to rotate a
realized.
component?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now see designators. So designators, few designators are facing one direction, few are facing one direction. You also need to fix that.
Is this fine or
See,
should I
yeah. Now
make
do
it?
one thing. So for resistance, there's a designator, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, try to move that designator position, the R1 position. Yeah, try to move that. Yeah, put it in front of resistor. Yeah, no. You just orient. Okay, that's also fine. It's also allowed. Yeah, just yeah, R2 is perfect. Put it in the same way. Yeah, like that. For R1 also you change the orientation of R1. Okay. So similarly for C1 and C2, you just put it above the capacitors. See the overall thing here, there is no such clear, there is no such strict rules. We need to make it appear in a good way. That's how you need to design. Layout means you are planning something so that it will appear in a good way. Okay. So now,
Yeah.
uh, so can just there is some option called draw board outlines. There are few symbols, right? Can just try
Yeah.
moving your cursor over each and every symbol and try to observe the name tooltip.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only just observe the name. That is pad via. Okay. So that's a board outline. Yeah. Go with still move the options. Popper area. The next one, fill region. Lot. Okay. So can you just try clicking on the third option, board outline.
Yeah.
Click on rectangle. Yeah. So now you need to draw the borders. I mean the size of the PCB. Okay. Like this is the main PCB. Okay. The outlines of the PCB. See, first you need to place it a little bit, before the D1.
Right here.
Yeah, and little more above. Yeah. Now click over there. Slowly move the cursor towards the right side. Yeah, this is, see, first you need to move it right side. Okay. Then you need to enter whenever you start moving your cursor right side, it will ask you to enter the width.
Yeah.
So first you enter the width and then click on tab button.
Okay.
When you click on tab button, then it will ask you to enter the height. Now you are
Yeah.
moving the height. Yeah. Now you can directly just drag it and just adjust it. Yeah. See, this is the main PCB area, main PCB area. Okay. So
Yeah.
now do one thing. First you save it. How to save? Control S.
Control S. Yeah.
Yeah. Document has been saved successfully. Now click on 2D.
Uh,
Two, okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So this is how we do the 2D simulation. Now again go back to the schematic. Yeah. Now click on sorry, not a schematic, layout design. Click on 3D. You will get a 3D. Okay. So now come back to layout window. Now I'll tell you one more thing. So there is one option called routing option, wire option, routing. You will find it over there.
This
Yeah. No, no, no. Yeah, yes.
single routing.
Just move to the left once. Yeah, yeah, the same one. Yeah, the single routing option, the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Click on that. Already it is active. So
Yeah.
now with this routing option, you can route the wirings. Okay. So let's say you want already it is showing some imaginary
Values.
lines, right? Some
Yeah.
lines just for your reference. So
Yeah.
can you
Blue
just tell
color.
me how these lines are being rendered based on what these lines are getting being shown over there?
I couldn't understand. Could you repeat again?
It is already showing some lines, right? Thin
Yeah.
lines.
Yeah.
So how do you think these lines are coming from? Where? What is the source for this?
Like from the schematic, we have connected the
Yeah,
capacitors.
from the schematics, right?
Yeah.
Now in the routing, whenever you are using the routing option, we need to follow the same thing. Okay,
Okay.
but for that, what is the important thing? Schematic should be correct,
Okay.
isn't it? If schematic
Yes.
is wrong, it will show, you will be doing the wrong wiring. If
Yes.
schematic is correct, then everything is correct. So that's why schematic is the important part. Now you try to just make those wirings. Okay. So for that, click on that. That's there's a via, right? I mean something like a circle, just be
Yeah.
below the D1 designator. No, 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 no. I'm not talking about that. Go with the routing
Okay.
option.
Okay.
No, no, no.
I understood. The one. This one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So whenever you just click on that, it will automatically highlight
Yeah.
only those connections.
Like, should I make all the blue lines into routing?
So right now we are doing today we will be doing a single layered. So tomorrow I will tell you how to make two layered, which will make your work little bit easy. But as of now, try to do it. So it's like an assignment. You do it. Just try to do that. All the wirings. How will you be do that? How will you be doing that? Avan?
This last blue line, I am not able to do the routing.
What could be the reason?
I think they are overlapping each other.
Right. So that's why we need to take help of another layer. Now do one
Okay.
thing. So we need to change it to the bottom layer. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So on the bottom you are having an option, right? Very bottom, top, bottom, top. No, not those. Very at the bottom.
I couldn't hear your voice.
You have a slider, right? Top silk screen, bottom silk screen. At
Could
the
you repeat
bottom
it?
of the layout design window.
Your voice is breaking.
Can just observe at least that Google Meet, the screen is sharing that window is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you can find few options: top, bottom, top silk screen. At the bottom, man.
Oh
Don't look
yeah.
in the top. Yeah. You are
Uh,
looking in the yeah. Click on the second option, bottom. Second option. I said second, not the silk screen
bottom.
layer.
Okay. Bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. So now it will comes under now. Earlier you did what you did is like routing on the upper surface. Now you are doing the routing on the bottom surface. So whatever the routing that you do by enabling the bottom option, that will, those copper traces will come under the bottom side of the PCB.
Okay.
Okay. So because if you want to do it only single layer, there is a chance of getting overlap. So that's why we need to use the bottom layer.
Like still, it's not being done.
Can just close the routing option.
Yeah.
So now first go to the bottom, then again select the routing. Just click on escape first. Escape. First click on escape option. Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to the routing option. Now you can do it.
Still not.
Okay. Do one thing. Yeah. So just click on escape option. Click on that red color one. Whatever you are trying to route. No, no, no. That the specific pad. I'm talking about the pad. See which pin you are trying to connect. Yeah. Now click on
Yeah.
the properties. Go to the properties. Right click. Yeah. Or else. Yeah. Now here change the layer from yeah change the layer from top layer to bottom.
Like there is no editing option for this one.
Okay, at least for the one whatever you have routed, for that you need to change it from top to bottom.
For,
No,
for this.
whatever you yeah that one you change from top to bottom. Yeah, change it to bottom. Now you route it in the top.